A mysterious island where no one can go. Welcome to North Sentinel Island, a place where you could die if you choose to visit. This island is protected by one of the world's most hostile and isolated peoples. Picture a society living in complete autonomy, with no contact with the outside world for centuries. The Sentinelese of North Sentinel have developed unique survival techniques and customs, making them practically invulnerable to any intrusion. To give you an idea of their determination, just think any ship that ventures too close to the island gets attacked by poison arrows. These fierce and fearless inhabitants fiercely guard their territory, refusing all interaction with the outside world. But what lies behind this mysterious island? North Sentinel's dense and lush forest is home to an incredible and unique biodiversity. Unknown plant and animal species thrive in this preserved ecosystem, offering us a window into a world still unexplored. The few adventurers who have tried to set foot on the island have been repelled or even killed by the Sentinelese. This was the case, for example, with John Allen Chow, a bold adventurer who decided to brave the dangers of North Sentinel Island. His desire to explore this unknown land turned into a tragedy when the Sentinelese attacked and killed him. North Sentinel Island reminds us that some lands are protected and that some cultures should be respected. Sometimes, the best thing we can do is admire from afar, maintaining a respectful distance. So, would you dare to visit this island? Let me know in the comments and subscribe.